Did you know that after the age of 50, you could be losing up to 15% of your muscle strength every single year? That's like saying goodbye to your ability to carry groceries, climb stairs, or even get up from your favorite chair. But here's the good news. There's one simple food that can help you fight back. Stick around because today I'm sharing the secret to keeping your muscles strong, active, and ready for adventure, no matter your age. This isn't just about eating more, it's about eating smart, and science proves it. So, what's stealing your muscles? First, let's talk about sarcopenia, the fancy word for age-related muscle loss. By the age of 80, nearly half of us will have it, and it's not just about getting weaker. Weak muscles mean more falls, slower recovery, and even trouble fighting illnesses like cancer. But why does this happen? Think of your muscles like a bank account. After the age of 30, you start losing muscle savings, about 3 to 5% every decade. By the age of 50, that loss speeds up, especially if you're not active. So what's the magic food? Here's the one food you're missing. Protein, but not just any protein. You need enough of the right kind, and here's why. A Harvard study found that seniors eating 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal preserved muscle strength better than those who skipped it. But most older adults only get about 60 grams a day, way below what's needed. Here's the catch. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using protein to build muscle. So even if you're eating enough, you might still be falling short. After 50, your body needs 30% more protein just to maintain muscle. Testosterone and growth hormone drop, key for muscle repair. If you don't use it, you lose it, fast. Take my neighbor Martha. At 72, she was always tired and needed a walker. Her doctor said, "Martha, you're not eating enough protein." She started adding Greek yogurt to breakfast, grilled chicken to lunch, and a protein shake after gardening. 6 months later, she's back to line dancing and she can lift her grandkids again. Protein alone isn't enough. Let's talk exercise. Lifting light weights counts, seriously. A Mayo Clinic study found that resistance training 2 to 3 times a week can reverse muscle loss in just 1 to 3 months. Combine it with protein, and you've got a winning combo. Even walking helps. Aim for 30 minutes daily. A 2023 study showed seniors who walked regularly had 40% fewer falls. Vitamin D and omega-3s, like salmon or walnuts, boost muscle repair. Ask your doctor about supplements. Here are 3 deadly mistakes seniors make. 1. Skipping protein at breakfast. This leads to muscle breakdown. 2. Only walking for exercise. You also need strength training. 3. Ignoring vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D lead to weaker muscles. Fix these and you'll see changes in weeks. Let's debunk some protein-related myths. Myth number 1. Too much protein hurts kidneys. That is not true unless you have kidney disease. Most seniors need more. Myth number 2. Meat is the only source. Try lentils, quinoa, or tofu. Myth number 3. I'm too old to build muscle. Research says no. One study had 90-year-olds gaining strength with weights. Your muscles are your ticket to independence. Start today. Add protein to every meal. Try 10-minute strength workouts. Get your vitamin D checked. Remember Martha? She's living proof that it's never too late to get your life back on track and embrace a healthy lifestyle. Share this video with a friend. Let's keep everyone dancing, gardening, and living life to the fullest. Like and subscribe for more senior health tips, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for your support. See you next time.